Creative Maze family nenu ningalku evarku Onashamsagal. Welcome back to Creative Maze Art. Wishing you and your family a very colorful and prosperous Onam. If you're expecting an Onam recipe, you got it wrong. This is for the next day after a hefty Onam Sadhya. If you like something spicy non-veg curry, this is the recipe to go for it. It's a hit in my family. Hope you like it too. Let's get started. I've taken here 1 kg chicken. Let's see the ingredient for roasting. 15 dried chilies, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 2 tablespoon whole coriander seeds, 2 to 3 shallots, few curry leaves, 1 coconut grated, whole garam masala, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 3 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon garam masala. For curry preparation, 15-20 shallots, 1 big onion chopped, 3 tomatoes chopped, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 5 pieces of coconut for tempering, handful of mint and coriander, salt as required. First, let's marinate chicken. Add the required amount of salt, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Massage it very well and keep it aside. This recipe calls for coconut oil. Roast the ingredients one by one as shown here. Finally, add the curry leaves. Don't over roast it. Now let's start preparing the curry. In a heavy bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and add the ingredients one by one as shown here. First, roast the shallots for a few minutes. We want to bite into the shallots, so don't over roast it. And then add the unchopped onions. Chopped onions will thicken the curry. I add more salt while marinating the chicken so it gets absorbed in the chicken. So here I will add only very little salt. Now add ginger garlic paste. Add curry leaves and let the aromatics do the magic. Now add all the masala powder one by one, roast it in the oil and then add tomatoes. chicken and roast it on high flame for at least 10 minutes. Let the juices from the chicken ooze out. That's where the magic is. Add coriander leaves. This will enhance the flavor. Now add 10-12 pieces of coconut which we have chopped. I don't like to pressure cook the chicken. It becomes watery. Here I am going for a thicker consistency. So I'm just putting the lid on and cook. While the chicken is cooking, let's grind the roasted coconuts. Add few mint and coriander leaves. Grind it into a fine paste. As you can see, the juices from the chicken has oozed out. This is exactly what we want. Now is the time to add the grinded paste. First add the paste, mix it well, let it cook for a few minutes in the paste and then add the required water. Adjust the salt accordingly. Oil floating on top shows that the masala and the chicken has cooked perfectly and it smells heavenly. Now let's do the tempering. Add some coconut oil and chopped coconut pieces and curry leaves. Roast it well, mix it with the chicken. I wish you could smell my kitchen now. It's heavenly. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and serve it hot for rice or chapati. you like my content, like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye.